Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get rare timber in Heartopia. Rare timber is an important material used to craft furniture and home decorations. And in Heartopia, you can only get one rare timber from its giant tree like this. This tree. Like this. And there are only 8 giant trees available in this entire game. So make sure you don't waste your chance. And to get this rare timber, just simply equip your axe like this and then just chop down one of the giant trees. Just tap on this icon, this X icon, like this. Like this, you will get the rare timber. And then now let's talk about the locations of the 8 giant trees. First, you can find this tree over here. Just watch this map. This is the first trees, and then the second tree is in on the other side. This one, like that, near that house. This one, and then the second and fourth trees is over here, near the Rossi River. This one, and then for the 5 and 6 trees, you can find it over here. And then for the 7 and last trees, you can find it over here. And okay, like this, that's how you can get the rare timber in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.